How to fix engine knocking. 3 additives that work. Chapter 1. The problem with engine knocking. Have you ever heard that annoying knocking sound coming from your engine? If so, you're not alone. Engine knocking is a common issue that can lead to serious damage if left unchecked. But don't worry, today we're going to explore how to fix engine knocking using 3 powerful additives that actually work. Chapter 2. What causes engine knocking? Before we jump into the solutions, let's quickly understand what causes engine knocking. Knocking occurs when fuel in your engine's cylinders doesn't burn evenly. Instead of a smooth combustion, you get pockets of air-fuel mixture that explode out of sync. This not only causes that annoying knock, but can also damage your engine over time. Factors like low-quality fuel, carbon deposits, or even overheating can lead to this problem. Now, let's look at how to fix it. Chapter 3. Additives that fix engine knocking. Additive number 1. Octane boosters. Our first solution is using an octane booster. These additives increase the octane rating of your fuel, making it more resistant to knocking. Higher octane fuel burns more evenly, reducing the chances of those premature detonations that cause knocking. An octane booster, like Liqui-Moly 2030 Proline gasoline system cleaner, can be especially useful if your car's manual recommends high-octane fuel, or if you're experiencing knocking after switching to a lower-grade fuel. Additive number 2. Fuel injector cleaners. Next up, we have fuel injector cleaners. Over time, deposits can build up in your fuel injectors, disrupting the proper flow of fuel and air into your engine. This can cause uneven combustion and, you guessed it, engine knocking. A fuel injector cleaner, like Redline S, I1 Complete Fuel System Cleaner, helps remove these deposits, restoring the optimal spray pattern of fuel and reducing the likelihood of knocking. Plus, it can improve your car's overall performance and fuel economy. Additive number 3. Combustion chamber cleaners. Last but not least, let's talk about combustion chamber cleaners. Carbon buildup inside the combustion chamber is another common cause of knocking. When carbon deposits accumulate, they can increase the compression ratio of your engine, leading to premature ignition of the air-fuel mixture. A good combustion chamber cleaner, like Hot Shot's Secret Gasoline Extreme, dissolves these carbon deposits, helping to prevent knocking and improve your engine's performance. Engine knocking can be a real headache, but with the right additives, you can tackle this issue and keep your engine running smoothly. These 3 additives have got you covered. I've linked all the products mentioned in this video down in the description, so be sure to check them out. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more car care tips, and click the bell icon to stay updated. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.